I think it started back in 2015 as a small takeout store that sort of evolved into a bunch of cloud kitchens that we were running in the first 5 years of inception. COVID happened to impact us in 2020, and that's when we sort of got time to think of a scalable model. Having built brands over 5 years, wanted to sit on the enabler seat, help brands expand in the most efficient way using our existing cloud kitchens at that point in time. Mission statement kept evolving as a business. Helping F&B brands expand in the dark store space became helping D2C and e-commerce brands, a larger category, a set, not a subset, expand using quicker infrastructure, which could mean dark stores along with last mile delivery. First challenge when we entered the business was the thought of getting into last mile delivery. I think the outsider thought of last mile delivery that it's a very high burn function of logistics. We feel the DNA of the business is strong operations, but it's strong tech enabled operations. But with a solution that can sort of optimize the last mile delivery and give us the right analytics and metrics to solve for that is something very important. The only requirement that we had at the back of our mind pre-conversation was optimizing for routes. But as we sort of got onboarded with LogiNext, right, we realized that it's not just 1-2 features, that the route optimization part is only one of the many features, but it all adds up, right? Right from user communication to the dashboards being operated at the dark store level, to managing returns, to managing batch optimization. All of those features add up.
It's just a simple process that we go through. We get the stock and products from the brand, and all through our system, what we do is we process those orders. Orders get processed on the same day. We have a set of picker packers and inventory controllers who control the inventory, and picker packer picks the products and they packs it, and then we segregate it to all the different riders, and through different bags we send it out to all the customers. So a lot of orders that we get, which we used to do it manually, and there was a lot of challenges faced by the riders itself, and we then came to realize that we need a last mile intelligence. Thus we met LogiNext and we got it integrated, and that has helped immensely for each of our riders and for each of our orders, ensuring that all of our orders and riders reaches the correct location of the customer and is able to deliver the order on time. And if there is some priority that we need to set for certain orders, and if there are multiple orders that a rider is carrying, we can change the priority of that, and the rider can reach that customer easily, which has enhanced the experience of the customer as well and for the brand as well.
Everyone is aware of placing an order on the website, getting it in 3 days, but no one knows how it's happening in the backend. At Zippee, we are one of the many players who are getting or who are trying to get this tech revolution to this domain. LogiNext is helping us resolve a lot of our issues when it comes to the end mile delivery, starting from the orders getting dispatched from our warehouses till it reaches the customer. Every point, every node in this life cycle is more or less tracked on LogiNext. Onboarding is one thing that not a lot of guys out there realize has to be very smooth. LogiNext, I'd say, is one of the smoother ones that I've seen. There are a few points that stick out when it comes to LogiNext. For example, assigning a dedicated account manager and an operational manager to us for any and all of our queries. Weekly touch points without missing a beat. One thing that stands out for me in LogiNext at least is that if I have a critical issue, I know that I can directly call up my account manager and he'll take care of it at priority. We at Zippee, along with the partners that we have with us, LogiNext amongst us, are looking to take this journey, to take this revolution forward.